Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are doing a new video on an asset that we have done in the past, but it's been a very long time, so we're going to do it fresh. It's HBAR. HBAR is a altcoin, and it's been around for a while, and here we go, basically. So we can see that we had highs, we had lows, and we actually lost the support here, made a brand new low. And this whole drop from this level to this level is actually perfectly telecasted on the fibs, which I will show you when I turn them on. We went sideways here, very long time, found support, which is where we basically do our inverse head and shoulder. So you can see this is a shoulder. This huge thing here is your head. Here's your neckline, and then now you're forming another shoulder here, a right shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. If everything goes good and HBAR can get above 40 cents, you should have a measured move. And that measured move is almost going to like around 80 cents, if not like $1. So that's what we're looking for on HBAR. Before I turn on the drawings, guys, if you guys would I would greatly appreciate a subscribe. If you haven't already, just hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button so you get these notifications as they come out. If you could like the video and leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know how this video was, how I can improve. If there's another asset you would like to see over the altcoins and crypto, let me know, like a stock. I'll be more than happy to make that video in the next one. Aside from that, please just leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button, leave a comment in the comment section below. If you're interested in trading with me live, please feel free to join our Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you guys so much. And aside from that, guys, let's just get it going. We're doing all our charting here on MEXC. It's in the affiliate link section of the description of this video. That's where we do all our trading because they have the lowest fees. And the reason I'm bringing that up now is because I'm actually actively trading there again, because I do feel the lows are coming to basically in. I think the lows are coming in, and we should be looking for some upside pretty soon, maybe within the next 2 to 3 weeks. So now's the time to accumulate. All right, so here we go on the drawings. Like I said, we had this little head and shoulder broke down. Here's your little, well, you didn't see the shoulder, but here's your shoulder. Here's your head. Here's your neck. 19 cents was the neck. Okay, once we lost that, you had your measured move. Okay, we didn't go all the way to oblivion, but the 4 cent level here was where the target really was through the fib. That's exactly where we found support sideways between 4 and 5 cents. Okay, sorry, between 3 and 4 cents. And now we're looking for the potential upside. Oh, and then when you saw this head and shoulder here, guys, right, this one, let's just clone this and I'll show you a funny. Let's just leave that there for now. Take this, lock it in for now. What I was showing you on the reverse was this. Oops, 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 oops. Okay, so here's your shoulder, here's your head, here's your other shoulder. Okay, here's your neckline, which would be right here, this fib, which is 34 cents. You can have your measured move, and that's where we would like to see us at once all this is done. Okay, and that basically comes to around 70 cents. I said 80 cents blindly. Another thing is this. Why did I clone this? This can fit right there. Plop. You could higher this up if you want, like right there. Nah, just leave it right there. There you go. So that's basically where we're looking for this consolidation to mature before we get that nice little upside push. Now I'm going to delete this. We don't need this. We don't need this neckline, head and inverse head and shoulder. You already know what's going on. This is what we're looking now. Okay, this is what we're looking at. Quickly, let me just look at the monthly naked. Okay, so monthly wise, we do have a little bit of wiggle. Okay, so what are we doing right here? We're making our triangle, right? And the triangle support is all the way over here at around 14 cents. Now that 14 cent level will go up today. No, it will go up at the monthly close. So the weekly is the one that we're gonna look for it to tick up today. Depending on if buyers step up today and we don't make a new lower low, this could be the local low, okay, this week. And then I mean this month, and we could be looking for the monthly to actually get back into around 25 cents before we look for any kind of resistance back down in the next month. So on the weekly, what we're doing is we're already losing the 21 EMA at 21 cents. What I would be looking for is worst case scenario, we're going to go to that 15, 14 cent area, and then that is the absolute local low that we're looking for, and we're looking for the reversal from that level, because any lower than that, then our inverse head and shoulder will get invalidated. So 14 cents is that 14 cents? Yeah, 14 cents is the absolute low that I'm looking for, and that is well, I mean, if I didn't already start accumulating at 20 cents, I'll be looking for 6 cents lower at 14 cents, and I'll be looking for that little inverse head and shoulder accumulation schematic here, and the reversal right back up above and beyond. I will remove this head and shoulder because you guys can already see it, right? And if you want, you could go like this, like that. Just a quick like doodle like that. That's kind of like how I want to see it play out. Will it play out like that? We will see, but something like that. And this is a descending channel. I always color my descending channels green. I always color my ascending channels red, because this is basically how I identify a flag, right? This is how I identify a bull flag. Once the price action gets outside of this channel and uses the channel as support, I'm looking for the flag to actually do the expanding wedge out. Okay? And that expanding wedge, once it gets to this level, once it gets above here, you will see the impulse start. Okay? So that's kind of like how I'm looking at HBAR. HBAR does look good. It is very interesting that it's holding above the 20 cent level, which is where its previous resist. Blah, blah, blah. This level was previous support flipped into resistance, because you can see that over here was support, flipped into resistance, and now it is again support. So we want to see this level hold as support, make a rounding bottom, and then get us up above the resistance here at 45 cents. And that's literally what's happening right now. Price action is consolidating, squeezing, ready for an impulse up and break, probably right back up out of here. This is hopeful and would be great if you get a little bit under 14 cents all the way to 8.5, but it doesn't need to happen. So you need to be aware that the resistance is already flipping into support right now, and we might not get any more lower, and it might just be time to like break out. So that is something for you to consider. I'm going to delete some of these doodles. And then I'm going to quickly check on a lower time frame if I see anything else that I can mention to help you with this setup. Cool. So I'm gonna leave it like that. That's how I want to leave it, and I'm gonna know exactly what's going on for the next video. Let's go to daily so we can see what we can expect today. Okay. So already I can give you a warning of downside. Okay, and I do think 14 cent is a probability today between the 20 cent that we're at and 14. Okay. Now the warning I'll give you, I think might even have to go to 4 hour, guys. Yeah. Okay. Okie dokie. So this is how I'm going to play this, okay? Here is the low, right? We are making a higher low right now. This is an ugly head and shoulder, but it's there, okay? And it is a higher low. All right, now we actually made a flag on top of the last low. You just dipped into the liquidity right here, okay? But you're still a higher low. At this point, today, you have a 4 hour, this is a 4 hour chart, okay? In the next hour, you are basically putting in a doji, okay? This is basically indecision. But the indecision is after a bullish engulfing, meaning the sellers are trying to break this down and go into the levels that we did not hit the liquidity here, right? But the sellers are weak. Buyers can step up now because you have a little bit of divergence here. Oops, look at this. Your volume is declining as you're going to the downside. That's a bullish divergence on volume, meaning one market buyer, which already he stepped up about 8 hours ago. He did it right at the daily open. So as soon as the new daily candle opened, he bought it, and now he's hitting it right into resistance over here at 22 cents. If we can open and close on a 4 hour candle above 22 cents, I would immediately be looking for us to come into the resistance over here at around 24 cents. If we can get above 24 cents in this kind of a way, like we come here, we find a rejection, find support at again 22 cents, we will probably go gun for this higher EMA. Today, because there's so much fear and panic in the markets, and all the news of the hackers selling is probably causing people to sell the bottom and short the bottom, thinking we're going lower. And that's how they're going to manufacture a short squeeze into New York session open, causing liquidation of late shorts and panic sellers, causing FOMO to rebuy into New York open. Keep in mind, this week is payroll payday week. So people will have money to buy the lows. And the goal, if the market maker is smart, is before payroll comes to make the price go higher, so retail buys the price at the top, not the bottom. The people buying today and in the early of the week might get the low to distribute on all the people from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday who get paid and are buying higher price. They're buying the demand higher, while right now there's no demand and price is low. Whoever has the liquidity, the cash to buy now, will be the one advantageous to distribute on people later at a higher price once this schematic plays out by, let's say, Thursday, Friday. And look, Friday is where we expect it to be the highest, when everyone will actually have money to buy. No one has money right now, but they will on Friday. And if they buy it on Friday, Saturday, Sunday could be the retrace. You know, Friday is the top, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you could do a retrace, and then Monday take the liquidity out, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday continue up and beyond. So this is how it will most likely play out if I'm right. And we'll find out as soon as you get a 4 hour open and close above 22 cents. If you don't have a 4 hour open and close above 22 cents, then this doji will open the next 4 hour candle and then start engulfing, right? And the second you get under 20 cents on this 4 hour candle, the next 4 hour candle into New York Open, that means that from 20 cents, if it really wants to hurt all the buyers, it can go under 17 all the way to 14. And 14 cent is where you're looking for the next big buy, because it is on the bottom of the descending channel as well as your fib. Oh, I hate when I do that. So the sweet spot after everyone gets liquidated to buy would be down here on the bottom of your descending channel, as well as on the fib between 14 cents and a little bit under 14 cents, because maybe you will oversell the panic and fear. That's if you lose this level. As long as you're above 20 cents, you have to understand that this is a rounding bottom. You can't get bearish until you lose 20 cents again. Okay, then we can look for, oh, it's a rejection. Oh, okay, here it's doing accumulation like this, and then up and out of here. So that's what I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. I will get back to you. If you have a suggestion as to how I can make these videos a little bit better and more advantageous for you, let me know. I will do that for the next video. If you could please subscribe to the channel. A lot of you, almost 80% of you, are not subscribed and still watching the videos. I really would appreciate it so that the YouTube algorithm can help me grow, and I will be extremely appreciative of it. That way, like, if you do leave a comment and I make you a video, you get it as soon as possible, as opposed to you looking for it in the YouTube search and not being subscribed to the channel. So just subscribe if you can. I greatly appreciate it. If you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comment section below. If you want to trade with me live, please feel free to join me on the Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps the channel grow. Thank you guys so much. Aside from that, I hope you have a great day, great week, happy Monday, and I will see you guys in the next one. Adios.